Yep, and spread it out. Yeah, so you feel the tension line, and you let it go that way. And it's on this feeling of life force. I touch his tension, touch his life force, and spread it. So I'm just putting it out there. That's your grounding.
That's a pull.
Your grounding is your neutralization. So when they touch you, you're neutralizing by spreading the force. And from there, let's say I spread the force there, then I put them on a trampoline, I store that energy, boom, and fire it to bounce them. So you can make the energy come back from that field, stretch it out, put it back. And you have a lot of beautiful models for training that comes out of that. Energy will do whatever your mind wants it to.